Hi students, this is A. Mandari Kumar Rajesh. In this video, we are going to discuss another type of mutation called structural chromosomal mutation or structural chromosomal aberration. In this condition, the mutation occurs in the chromosome and make changes in the structure of chromosome. The structural chromosomal variation may caused by addition or deletion of a part of chromosome. It results in the rearrangement of genes in the chromosome. So that mutation results in the rearrangement of genes in the chromosome, and that condition is called as structural chromosomal mutation or structural chromosomal aberration. Then this mutation may caused by the mutagens like ionizing radiation, then chemical compounds, So this mutation can caused by or may caused by the mutagens like ionizing radiation and chemical compounds. Then on the basis of breaks and reunion in chromosome, in the chromosomes, the aberrations are divided or classified into four types. They are deletion or deficiency. Then the second one is duplication or repeat. Then the third one is inversion. Then the fourth one is translocation. Then the four types of aberrations are classified under two groups. These four types of aberrations are classified under two groups. They are changes in the number of the gene loci. Then the second type is changes in the arrangement of gene loci. That means, so it is a chromosome which contains the alleles like capital A, capital B, and this is the long arm, it contains capital C, capital D. So if the mutation takes place in that chromosome and one portion will be deleted. So in this mutation, the changes in the number of gene loci. Here you can find capital B only. So here the changes in the number of gene loci. While in the case of changes in the arrangement of gene loci, it is a chromosome and it contains capital A, capital B, capital C, then capital D, capital E. If the mutation occurs in this chromatid, the arrangement of gene will take place. So the capital B come at the top and the capital A comes near to the centromere. So changes in the arrangement of gene loci means the exchanges of allele takes place in the rearrangement of alleles will take place in the chromosome. Then the changes in the number of gene loci can be classified into deletion or deficiency, deletion or deficiency. Then the second type is duplication or repeats. Then again the deletion or deficiency are classified into two types. They are terminal deletion. Then the second one is intercalary deletion. Then the duplication can be classified into three types. They are tandem repeats. Then displace tandem repeats. Then the third one is reverse tandem repeats or duplication. Reverse tandem repeats. Then the changes in the arrangement of gene loci can be divided into inversion, then translocation. First, I am going to explain the changes in the number of gene loci, that is the deletion and duplication and of their types. So please wait a minute. Let me explain the deletion process or deficiency process which is happen in the chromosome. So deletion mutation means loss of portion of chromosome is called as deletion. On the basis of location of breaks on the chromosome, the deletion mutation can be divided into two types. They are terminal deletion. The second one is intercalary deletion. Then this type of deletion mutation are caused by the mutagens like drugs, chemicals and radiation. Then this type of deletion mutations are observed or reported in the fly Drosophila, and observed in the plant maize. Now I am going to define the two deletion process. So terminal deletion means the deletion occurs on the end of chromosome, and it make a single break on the chromosome. So example, this is a chromosome which contains two chromatids, one is short, one is long, and it contains alleles capital A, capital B, capital C, here D, E, F, G. So the mutation occurs on the location, that is the terminal portion, the end of the chromosome, and it make a single break on the chromosome, So the capital A allele is removed, from the chromosome, and that type of deletion is called as terminal deletion, While in the case of intercalary deletion, two breaks occur, reunions of terminal parts takes place, and it leaves the middle portion. So This is a chromosome which contains the allele capital A, capital B, capital C, D, E, F, G and H. So I already told you two breaks occur at intercalary deletion. So here the mutation occurs on the F. So two breaks happen on the chromosome. So the two terminal parts are united. The two terminal portions are united, and it leaves the middle portion, and it leaves the middle portion F, and that is called intercalary deletion. Then the both type of deletions can observe under meiosis-Pachydin stage, and in polytene chromosomes. Then you can find unpaired loop. On the normal chromosome part. At the time of chromosomal pairing. That means, now I am going to explain with a diagram. And that loop is called as deficiency loop. So you can find the deficiency loop at the meiotic prophase. Meiotic prophase. So please a minute. So it contains capital A, capital B, capital C, here D, E, F. Suppose the deletion occurs on these two segments or portion of that chromosome. So when the normal chromosome paired with this mutated chromosome, that is the aberration chromosome. So this is the normal chromosome. So capital A, capital B, capital C, then D, E and F. So when pairing takes place at the two chromosome, this is the normal chromosome, this is the mutated, that aberration chromosome. This normal chromosome forms a loop at this portion, because here the two portions are deleted. So the normal chromosome forms a loop at this portion, and that loop is called as deficiency loop. So the normal chromosome forms a loop at the time of chromosomal pairing, and that loop is called as deficiency loop. So you can see the deficiency loop at meiosis prophase. Then the higher level of deletion mutation can cause lethal to the organism. The higher level of deletion occurs in the chromosome, it leads to the lethal effect. So that's all about the deletion mutation. Now I am going to explain the intercalary deletion. I am going to explain the duplication or repeats. Let me tell about the duplication process or repeat process. The process of arrangement of same order of genes repeated more than once on the same chromosome, and that process is called as duplication, and that process is called as duplication. I once again repeat the definition. The process of arrangement of the same order of genes repeated more than once in the same chromosome, and that process is called duplication, and that process is called duplication. Due to the duplication, more than one copies of the same segments are present on the same chromosome. So due to duplication, more than 2 copies of the same order of genes are present on the same chromosome. Then the duplication condition was first observed in the fly Drosophila. The fly Drosophila, and it was reported by the scientist Bridges, in the year 1919. Then other examples for the duplication process, they are pea plant and maize plant So the duplication process can be observed under pea plant and maize plant. So then the duplication process can be divided into 3 types. They are tandem duplication, then the second one is reverse duplication, tandem duplication, reverse tandem duplication. Then the third one is displaced tandem duplication, Tandem duplication means the duplicated segments are located immediately after the normal segment, and that condition is called as tandem duplication. For examples, it is a chromosome. It contains A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So now if the mutation occurs, the duplication process occurs. So the duplication process occur on the allele B and C. So capital A, capital B, capital C, again the duplicated segment located after the normal segment, and that process is called as tandem duplication. Then the reverse tandem duplication means the duplicated segment located immediately after the normal segment, but the difference is the genes are arranged in reversed manner. So this is a normal chromosome. It contains capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, then capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H. So the reverse tandem duplication process occurs in that chromosome. The mutation occurs on the allele capital B and capital C. So it in the reverse form. So capital B, capital C, then again capital C and capital B. So here you can find the duplicated segment located immediately after the normal segment, but in the reverse form, and that is called reverse tandem duplication. Then the displaced tandem duplication means the duplicated segments are present away from, they are located away from the normal segment, and that process is called displaced tandem duplication. I repeat that statement. in displaced tandem duplication, the duplicated segments are located away from the normal segment, and that process is called displaced tandem duplication. So this is the normal chromosome, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E and capital F. So the mutation occurs on the capital B and capital C. The duplication process occurs on capital B and capital C. That duplicated segments are located away from the normal segment. That means it contains, this chromatid contains the capital B and capital C. So here you can find this is the normal segment, this is the duplicated segment which are away from the normal segment. So that is called displaced tandem duplication process. Then the duplication process plays a major role in evolution. The duplication process plays a major role in evolution. So that's all about today's video. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.